Hello everybody. Today I'm going to explain the how-to and the importance of drawing lines. Now, drawing lines as a foundation, guidelines for neat, tidy calligraphy, for writing, is essential. And if we can't be mindful and take care with our lines, then the writing will never be as neat. So in a sense, then drawing lines is as important as writing itself. Now, I'm using a board that I have stretched paper on, nice square board, and using the traditional T-square. This is obviously the letter T, which is why it's called T-square, or a set square. So it has a good square right angle that we can use up against the side of the board to carefully draw our lines. I'm using a pencil. So first we need to mark off your proportion to do with the width of the nib of your pen. So mark off the proportions on one side of the paper, and this will then, using the set square, the T-square, will translate from one side to the other, so there's no need to mark both sides. Do this with some care, lightly. Be precise. The more precise, the better your lines, the better your calligraphy.